how to sign up or log into Crunchyroll account. If you want to create an account or even log into your Crunchyroll account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Crunchyroll application. First of all, if you do not have an account, right under the login button you'll find a small option that says create account. Tap on the create account button that you can find. Simply make sure to choose the email address and the password that you would like to use for your Crunchyroll account, and also make sure to enter your password. Then after that, just tap on the create account button that you'd be able to find there to verify your email and create your Crunchyroll account. Now if you already have a Crunchyroll account, however, you can just tap on the login button that you can find here, and all you have to do is just simply make sure to enter the email address and the password of your Crunchyroll account. So make sure to go ahead and do that and also enter your password. Then tap the login button to log into your Crunchyroll account. This way you can either sign up or log into Crunchyroll. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.